How can implied probability find profitable sports bets? Imagine having a secret weapon that helps you spot when a bet is worth taking. That's what understanding implied probability can do for your sports betting game. It turns the odds into a clear percentage, showing what the sportsbook thinks the chance of an event happening is. When you know this, you can compare it to your own estimate of the event's likelihood. If your guess is higher than what the odds suggest, you might have found a good value bet. That's how you can find bets that could be profitable over time. Let's break down how this works. Betting odds show both the potential payout and the sportsbook's view of how likely something is. For American odds, if a team has negative odds like -310, the implied probability is calculated by dividing 310 by 310 plus 100, then multiplying by 100. That gives you about 75.6%. This means the sportsbook believes there is a 75.6% chance that team will win. On the other hand, if a team has positive odds like 245, the implied probability is 100 divided by 245 plus 100 times 100. That's roughly 28.9%. Adding these probabilities together exceeds 100% because of the sportsbook's built-in profit margin, called the VIG or vigorish. This margin ensures the bookmaker makes money no matter the outcome. So, the key to making money is to find situations where your own assessment of the event's chance is higher than what the implied probability suggests. For example, if you think a team has a 45% chance of winning, but the odds imply only a 35.7% chance, that's a potential value bet. Placing bets where your estimate exceeds the implied probability can lead to profits over many bets. Calculating implied probability also helps you see how much advantage the sportsbook has. It makes it easier to compare odds from different sportsbooks and find the best value. For instance, if one sportsbook offers odds that imply a 28% chance and another offers odds that imply a 35% chance, you can choose the better deal. This way, you maximize your expected value. In practical terms, implied probability helps you decide if the odds are fair or overpriced. It shows you when the payout is worth the risk. It also helps you understand the break-even point, which is the minimum winning percentage needed to be profitable. For example, at -110 odds, the implied probability is about 52.38%. That means you need to win more than 52.38% of your bets to make a profit. By mastering implied probability, you can avoid poor bets and focus on those with real potential. It's a simple but powerful tool that turns odds into meaningful information. When you use it consistently, you can spot opportunities others might miss. This approach helps you make smarter decisions, increase your chances of winning, and build a winning strategy over time.